Alright, so we have finished keywording all the images, and from the last tutorial you saw that when we came back from the cloning screen, it gave us a message saying that all the images were keyworded. Do you want to process? I said no at the time, but you could have said yes and begun processing, or you can go up here and click on Process Images. Now remember, you don't have to have keyworded all your images to process, though it is recommended that you do that. Just that it can get confusing about which ones were keyworded and which ones weren't, but you can process at any time that you want. Are you sure you want to process these images? Yes. It looked at all the spellings, does a spell check of everything, and says this is your last chance. So again, to process is somewhat of an important part of the program, so we just check to make sure that you've got everything right before you process. Be aware that if you're keywording around 300 images or so, or 400, the processing might take a little longer, which would be about 3 minutes or 3.5 minutes. Alright, that's it. We just processed. But remember that processing, we have now, after we process, we can check the keywords, check the accuracy of the keywords in Keyword Checker, or we can export them to a tab file or export them to the IPTC fields, which will be handled in a different tutorial. Be aware that all the keywords are now down here in the IPTC keywords and in a tab separated text. So the next tutorial will be checking.